Alright guys, welcome back. So, we got a lot of stuff. But first we'll start off with this, which, as you can see, or probably can tell, it's one-reeler albums. I didn't really buy this bundle because the albums itself, it kind of just came with it. But yeah, it's more for what it came with that I wanted. I believe this is what, just another pre-order set? Oh, that's pretty cool. That's nice to have. So this sable to put in the binder eventually. Alright, that's inside there. Let's do that. Perfect. Alright, so as you can see, got two one-reelers. Half the reason why I bought them was because they came with the Moonbee cover cards. And, get this open, a bunch of her stuff as well. First we got her like film strip card. It's got all the normal stuff. And then we have a couple of her Onric diary, or I mean not Onric diary, one-reeler cards. I believe, yeah, this one I believe is a fan sign card, which was pretty nice. Then we got that. And we got this one, which I believe is an AR card too. I forgot, was there anything else in this one besides the photo book? The poster, that thing. Yeah, so that should be it for that. Should just throw this stuff in there. I don't really need to keep that out. As you probably can tell, we're gonna get a bunch of Scene 1 stuff in this one. This one, actually this is a Scene 2 card, but so is this, but I didn't have them, so I think that's why I bought it. You get her film strip from this though, as well as her like photo thing. Sorry about that, I believe that's it. Put these up there, like that, and move on to the next thing. Alright, so the next thing here, we got a card. We got a Suyun broadcast card. Oh, there's tape on there. I'm gonna, guess I'm gonna have to cut it or something, I don't know. There we go. It's a broadcast card. I was looking for this for a long time. It's from their debut in Bamboo era. I think it's a really cute card, so I was looking for it, even though I'm not going to collect the broadcast cards. I just really wanted that one. So next, we have, I'm just pulling this stuff out in random order. We have the, what's the back? Nakyung, the Japan fan sign, or not fan sign, card you got from a bonus. So that's nice to finally get that to complete the collection. And then we got a fat stack of Twice cards, which you'll see will be a theme in this unboxing. Now where's this open? Right here. We have a bunch of complete set, of Yes or Yes Chaeyoung cards. Since I wanted they really stuffed them in there, huh? Wanted to make some good progress on my Chaeyoung collection. So I'll take them all out real quick. Show them off. Keep them in a pile together though, so I know which is which. Yeah, I'm not sleeving up these cards yet, because as you're gonna see in this video, this unboxing is absolutely huge, and I have nowhere near, or at least I don't think I'll have enough sleeves to cover all these yet. So I'm gonna keep them kind of like that. Next we got even more cards. This time we have, well, these are just in the bag, but I guess that works a little easier in unboxing, I guess. Cheong's Fancy Cards. I love this card. Probably my favorite in the entire set. But yeah, we got all of them here. Oh no, it was this one. This is the one I like. No, put that one on top, so I'll put that one aside. Do it like that. Okay, next. Oops. Looks like we've got some more Rocket Punch. This is oh, that's not a sleeve, that's like a, I guess, a laminated piece of plastic, I guess. It's weird. We have a Suyoon Blue Punch card. I was gonna have her full set coming, but two of the cards I needed that I bought in a set actually got canceled, so that's kind of disappointing. But I am making a new haul soon, so that should be good. We'll maybe get those. Next, we got some Umbi cards. These are her Bobby and Rose solo card, I believe, is just in this one. I want to say that's it in this one. Yeah, it's just this one card, but it's the other one I needed from this. So that's perfectly fine. Just put that aside. There we go. Continuing on the Twice train, we got more and more. I believe this is a full set. One of these has one of these is missing a card. I want to say it was the more and more that was missing one of them. But we did get this cool. I believe this is the With Drama pre-order card, so that's cool. You have photo cards for everyone in this era were really pretty. Put those there. Alrighty. I believe these are the last Twice cards coming up. Yeah. Unless I'm forgetting some, but we have Feel Special. I love this photo card set, and the song, and the album. Definitely my favorite Twice song. I know a lot of people don't like these borders, but I think they're kind of cool, to be honest. But this is a good card. I like your glasses there. And we even got her like weird gold card thing. But yeah, love that I made a lot of progress on my Chaeyoung collection. Next, let's see what we got. I believe this is a bunch of Haewon cards. I'm gonna, like I said in the previous video, I'm gonna start collecting her. I think these are a bunch of Blue Eyes cards. Yeah, they're all Blue Eyes. This one's really pretty. So there's those. What do we got next? Alright, got some Promise 9, so this should be the last Nagyon card I need to complete my whole collection of her. So that's nice. We're all up to date on that, at least for album cards. Broadcast cards, I obviously try to get as much as I can, but sometimes they're pretty hard to find. We'll just slightly back you guys up a little bit. Next on the list, got more Eyes one. I don't quite remember which ones these were. These were either A1 stuff, but we'll see. I like they gave us a top loader, which is nice. Hard to get these out though. Is there a reason why? Or... Alright, let's take a look what we got here. Okay, yeah, they're Umbis, which makes sense. I don't think I had these yet, unless I'm just going crazy. I think I had this one, but that's just because I wanted the rest of them, but I just wanted to get the bundle just because I know I definitely don't have this one or that one, so it works. Got some more Umbi stuff. I think this is the bundle I bought that literally for like 1 or 2 cards, but we'll have to see what we got. I got another one of her photos there, so that's nice. Can trade that for something. I definitely had this one before, but this is the card. Yeah, I bought almost the whole bundle for because this card was like ridiculously, for some reason, I never see it for sale anywhere on Insta. And like the one I always do, it always just instantly sells. So happy to finally get this. This was the last Onric diary card I needed. I want to say I don't have this one either, but we'll see. I know I definitely have this one. I don't think I have that either, so I think that's why half the reason why I bought it. But I definitely have this, I know that one. So we'll pile these back up. Put those there. Next we have something pretty cool. We got on this 9 item. Is a signed photo by Nagyon. So basically you got this by kind of like what I did in my video, except I opted for like the mini Polaroid card thing. I also did the option to have a signed photo. So that's what I got here. They got it for a pretty good price. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in the top loader just for protection. Perfectly fit. So I'm actually happy they included this too, so I don't have to go crazy trying to find one. Just do that. More Eyes one. So, they will. How's this one open? Oh, it's because it's taped. Am I doing this right? Pretty sure I am. Hang on. Alright, guys, I wasn't doing that right. Long story short. This tape in the middle is annoying though. Just boom. Definitely didn't want stuff going in, that's for sure. Alright. So first we just got like one of like the big cards for the Blue Eyes albums. And on the back we have one of her postcard polygon things, which is pretty cool. just leave those like that. Oh, they gave me a freebie too. That was really nice of them. I want to say this is probably from one of their Japanese releases. Maybe, is it Vampire or is it something else? But anyways, that was nice of them. This wasn't even supposed to come. But the main reason why I bought it is because it came with some Blue Eyes cards. Violetta cards. Got both of the green cards. Which is nice. Alright, what do we got here? So next, I have a Rocket Punch album, Red Punch, since I didn't have this one yet. The one that comes with the with Suyun's photo card with it as well, so it's even better. And it was super cheap, so I was like, oh yeah, definitely. So let's see if we can find where the card is. Toss them right up front. We'll put that to the side there. Ah yes, the sticker. Definitely if you open it up this way, it looks like something else, but yeah, got that included as well. And here's the photo card itself. Probably my favorite album card of hers, as well as the album overall is definitely my favorite Rocket Punch stuff. And lastly, continuing with Rocket Punch, we got Blue Punch. Let me open this up. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. More stuff than I was expecting, at least. Did they give me the poster too? What's this? I guess they gave me the poster too. I'm assuming that's what it is. That was nice. I'll leave this in here for now, unless the stuff I bought this for is in there as well. So we'll go back to it. Yeah, so they actually even gave me the plastic for this one as well, which is cool. So yeah, we got a Blue Punch. And it should come with a bunch of cards, as well as some standees. So I got Suyun, Yoonkyung, and is that Yeonhee's? I believe it is, right? I think she had that hair in this comeback. Put that one over there, and we'll take a look at the cards. There's not just Suyun in this, because it was kind of just like a big grab bag of cards. So we do have some of hers there. I believe this is like an MMT card too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is Make Star. This one too. This is album one. We got Dahyun. Oh, just Dahyun. Okay. I kind of forgot which other cards we were gonna get with these, but yeah, pretty good. Definitely like me some Dahyun too, so that's pretty good. And yeah, guys, so that's it, I believe. Yep, that's it. So thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll definitely be doing more of these hauls in the future. I even got one going right now. So until then, see you guys next time.